Hello CBSE students, hope you are all preparing with a lot of efforts for CBSE to 2025. Myself Sajid from GURUJEE, I came here today to give you a few inputs. Point number one is that CBSE 2025 board exams answer framing techniques. There are few answer framing techniques is been announced by CBSE, which is number one is that marks will be awarded for every steps. What is mean by that? Like even if you are writing a few steps, like with clearly step 1, step 2, step 3 and still step 7, the answer is clear and you are going to get certain mark awarded for the steps writing clearly. Okay, that is point number one. So even if the answer is wrong, there are some marks will be awarded for the steps. Okay. Point number two, answers are simple, relevant and logical. Okay. Means like you need to write the answers very simple, relevant and logical. Okay, that means answer should be framed perfectly as per the questions. That is point number two. Point number three is that stick to the word limit. Okay, means like what is that? Like what is asked in the questions towards that. If it is 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 mark question, 5 mark question, likewise sticks to the word limit. Okay, what has been asked in the question. Point number 4. Biology and geography, okay, diagrams and flowcharts carry separate marks. So means what is mean by that? Like in biology and geography and all, if you are giving flowcharts and diagrams properly, which carries separate marks. Okay, ensure you are drawing it properly. Okay, the next point is neat handwriting, organized answers. So as everybody, all teachers used to tell that to all the students that write properly and neatly, so that teachers are able to read it properly. So for handwriting and organized writing, there is a separate consideration. Next thing is keywords, describe, analyze, justify or reason. Okay, there are like keywords like asking, describe, analyze, reason, etc. Understand that those wordings especially and write answers accordingly. All right. Next is organize your answers. What is mean by organize your answers? Like organize your answers in the sense like write for the appropriate questions asked format. Like for what the question is being asked, accordingly the answer to be framed. Okay. So and the points, keywords to be underlined, and the teacher should be able to understand. Okay, this question is answered perfectly. Okay. So organize your answers. Next thing is allocate the time based on the question. Okay, means like what each question, like there are questions towards certain students. There are students like who don't know or who are doing the answers without understanding how much time can be allocated to question. So clearly analyze the time required for a question to be answered and prepare accordingly. And finally, CBSE has announced and declared the sample paper with marks, okay, like a mark framing method. So kindly go through the CBSE released PYQs, okay, and so that you will get mark scoring strategy properly. Okay, so thank you so much. Follow these steps for getting good mark in CBSE 2025. This is Sajid from GURUJEE. Till I come next updates, thank you so much. Take care all of you. Thank you.